This is Frankie, and she's got the best reason to get a driving license I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah, it's good.
We're about to do a driving lesson. You're going to hear all about it. Ready?
Yep, ready.
Let's go. Great, cool.
Plant pots, acting, ex-boyfriend. We got it all.
That was actually really fun. You're so good at this.
Okay, you're not saying much, so I'm guessing it's okay.
Oh, I'm not saying much.
No.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Stop YouTubing and teach me. So you haven't driven for about 10 years, right?
Yeah, about 10 years.
Cool. I'm going to guide you through. We're just going to go into the deep end because I'm sure that once you start driving, you're going to remember how to do it. You've been doing your research, haven't you?
Yes.
Watching one of the YouTube videos.
Watching the YouTube.
So, confident.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Fakely confident, yeah.
Okay, fake it till you make it, because you're an actress, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Perfect.
Play the part of a driver, be fine.
So don't even need lessons.
Don't need lessons, can wing it.
So we're going to pull away from here.
Yeah.
Posh. Prepare, observe, signal, handbrake.
Okay.
I'll talk you through it. Clutch down and first gear. Now the car is prepared to go. Observe, we're checking behind, in front, right mirror, and the roadside blind spot. We can check the left side as well, but because we're on a nice quiet road, it's not essential.
Okay.
1, 2, 3 is the main essential checks.
Yeah,
Over your
we've
shoulder.
got a cyclist.
And then when it's clear, we can move on to S, which is signal, and H, which is handbrake.
Handbrake.
Prepare, observe, signal, handbrake.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Nice and smooth. Loving your work so far, Frankie. You actually have such an actress name as well, Frankie Baker.
Frankie.
Yes.
It works with Francis.
Francis and Frankie.
There
People
we
actually
go.
call me Frankie too. We could be Frankie 1 and Frankie 2.
It's a cool name.
Who's Frankie 1?
You're Frankie 1.
Okay,
It's your
thanks.
car.
How does it feel so far? Back in the driving seat.
It's good.
Okay.
Yes. In control.
Let's move into second gear. Off gas, clutch down. Second, clutch up, then back on the gas. At the end of this road, let me guide you through this. Take it nice and slow. We're going to turn right.
Okay.
Let's start a little bit early from here.
Yeah.
First, mirrors, middle and right.
Yeah.
Signal to the right. Positioning to turn right, just left of the centre line. Speed, let's go back into first gear now. Clutch up gently, we'll slow down. Great. And then lastly, we'll look right and left. If it's clear, we can go. If you're not sure, stop. Clutch down. And great. Clear to go?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep. Okay, and we're going right. Oh, we're going to go back.
We'll talk about that in a sec. Let's keep going.
Okay.
Next road on the left.
Okay.
What do we do first? Always the same answer.
So mirrors.
Mirrors, which ones?
The middle one and the left one because we're
Perfect.
going left.
Nicely done.
And then signal.
Great. Position and speed. Our speed is great for this corner.
Yeah.
We've got priority into this junction,
Okay.
apart from the pedestrians. Shall we let her go first?
Yes.
Good. Clutch down, brake. Turn more. And set off nice and gently.
Oh.
Turn more. Great, cool. Okay, a little bit faster. It's a nice wide road. We are blocked with the view on the pavement, but we can go a little bit faster. Maybe 15. Let's try 15 miles an hour. How's that feel?
That feels good.
Okay. We're going to take the next road on the right. Ready for this?
Yeah. Oh yeah. So mirrors.
Great.
Middle. Go check the right one. Signal.
Perfect.
And
What's next?
then
Position and speed. Shall we
positioning.
go into first gear? Great. Okay, let's pull up on the right by the tree.
Brake.
Cool. Secure the car. Handbrake and neutral. You said before we started as well you were quite nervous. Are you still nervous?
No, a bit more confident now.
Okay, great.
Yeah, feel good.
So a couple of junctions there to ease into it.
Yes.
We had a little rollback on the hill.
Yes.
Do you know how to not make that happen?
I eased a bit of the accelerator, I think.
Okay.
On that one.
So the accelerator will give you more power in the engine,
Yeah.
but you'll still roll back if there's no force pushing you forward or stopping you.
Uh-huh.
Shall I give you the answer?
Give me the answer.
Biting point.
Oh,
With
right,
your
okay.
foot on the brake. Have you
Yeah.
do you know what I'm going to say?
No, carry on.
Okay, so your foot's on the brake, that's stopping you from rolling backwards. Then you come up to the biting point, the car's trying to push you forwards,
Yeah.
and then you come off the brake. And we'll do that a couple of times, so it makes sense.
Brilliant.
Cool, and I'll talk you through it.
Sounds good.
Hi, we've got participants in our video.
Gosh, we have.
Hiya.
With my car, the mechanic's coming in a minute.
Oh, great, we're going to be 30 seconds more.
Just make sure what I just...
We'll be 30 seconds and we'll move, thank you. The other thing, how was that junction we just went round? Turned right there. Two things that we can improve on, which we'll do in a second.
Oh, that one just there?
Yeah.
Probably like getting to the centre point of the road.
Yes.
Wasn't
yeah,
it the
yeah,
right
yeah.
place?
So we cut the corner a little bit.
Yeah.
And we started crossing the centre line of the road a little bit early
Yes.
before we were ready to turn. Frankie, give me
Yes.
posh.
Posh.
And we'll drive off and
Okay.
give her mechanics some space.
So we're going to prepare.
Damn, now I've said that. I have to
So-
leave that bit in.
First gear.
Nice, car's prepared. Perfect.
Yes. O, observe.
Which way are we observing now? We're parked on
In
this
the
side.
centre
Yep,
and on the left.
great. And
And the blind spot.
roadside blind spot. Nice.
And there's nothing coming.
Great.
Signal.
Yes. Fantastic.
And then
H.
handbrake.
This is what happens when you watch loads of YouTube videos. You just can drive. Like, you don't even need a driving instructor.
It's just done.
Let's turn right at the end of the road. Start from here.
So mirrors.
Yeah.
Signal.
Nice. Position.
And in.
Left of the centre line if we can.
But there's a
Car in the way. After then we'll move back.
Okay.
Speed.
So gonna
Actually,
come-
let's stop. Clutch down now and brake now. Okay, we're on a hill.
Yeah.
If you take your foot off the brake, we should roll back. Try it.
fail.
Okay. Not so much a hill.
We'll try on another one.
Yes, yeah, we'll try it on another one. At the end, we'll turn right, start slowing down. Just take your foot off the gas. Mirror.
Oh.
Signal. Positioning by the line. Speed. Clutch down. First gear and stop at the end. Oh, we are on a hill.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to be here for like 30 seconds.
Okay.
Let's try this now. So your foot's on the brake, that's stopping us rolling backwards.
Yeah.
Then we'll come up to the biting point. You'll feel that in your seat. It'll be a little grumbly, and then pause when you get that.
There.
Bit more, tiny bit more. There, perfect. Take your foot off the brake and put it back on again. Brilliant. You can feel
Ooh,
not
yeah.
too high on the biting point. Now it sounds like an angry growl. Bring it back down a millimetre. There,
Oh, yeah.
perfect. The car's trying to push you forward, so we can't roll back.
Okay.
Is your heel dug into the floor when you're at the biting point?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Then you should be able to hold that as long as you need until there's nothing coming and we can set off.
Okay.
How about after this blue
Oh,
car?
am I going right?
Yes.
Okay.
Off
So
the brake first
now,
before you come up. Yep,
what about this one?
we can turn as well.
Okay.
Brilliant.
Oh, that was smooth.
That was nice. Well done, you learned how to hill start.
Woo.
Okay, let's take the next road on the right. Leaving this up to you.
Okay. Mirrors.
Yes. Who's got priority?
The cyclist.
Yes.
And that car.
Yes, yes, perfect. Let's think about not turning yet. Hold back, and turn now. Did that feel a little bit late to turn, or was that okay?
Felt a little bit late.
Okay.
But
Just so that we don't cross onto the wrong side of the road
Uh-huh.
and we stay on our side as long as possible.
Okay.
The reference point I usually use is when you're next to the centre line of the road, that middle line in the middle,
Yeah.
then turn.
Okay.
Let's try it again on this one.
Yeah.
Ooh, good speed. Yes, Frankie. Turn right.
Mirrors.
We can do this in seconds. Just slow the car down a little bit more. Keep the clutch up. Cool. Pause there, pause there. Let's go back into first gear. And not turning yet when you're in line with that centre line of the
yeah.
road. So just creep forward a little bit more.
I think I might go.
There, perfect.
Okay.
And we can turn there and we'll be perfectly positioned
Okay.
in the middle of
And
our
it
lane.
is, it's when I'm in the middle.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Let's pull up on the right, but not disturbing the mechanic. Mirrors and
Gladys,
signal.
whoever it was. Okay. I'm gonna just go past
Gladys.
her.
Generic old
I'm
people's
calling
name.
her Gladys.
Okay, let's just think about what else happened at that junction. That junction is giving us all the content today.
Yes.
How was it?
Yes, I now know what you mean by being in the
In the
centre.
middle
Yeah,
of the road. Yes.
that makes sense.
We were coming up to it in second gear. I was perfectly happy to do that junction in second gear. On a wide junction like this, it's probably going to be okay. Slowest we can go in second is 10 miles an hour. That's
Okay.
like a jog
Yeah,
to the shops
a jog to the shops.
before it closes at 11 p.m.
Yeah.
and you need milk for the morning.
Milk or a beer.
Milk
Yeah.
or I'm not going to
So-
help you with this. Posh me.
Posh, prepare
Yes.
to be in first. Observe, middle, left, and blind spot to the left. Signal
Yes.
and handbrake.
You can already bloody drive. Let's turn left at the end. Let's get to the end of the road. Remember,
Okay.
the positioning is quite important because we want our car to look like
Be
it's
able to
going.
see.
Yes, so steering left, steering left. Pause there. So now your car's body language looks like it's turning left.
Mm-hmm.
Because if we've got a signal one, that's only on the left side. All the cars coming from that direction know we're turning left. So
Okay.
cool.
Okay, we're good.
When you're happy. Do you know what we need to hear about, Frankie?
What do we need to hear about?
Your incredible reason why you
Yeah.
need a driving license.
Why am I here?
Why are you here?
Why?
I'm going to teach you how to drive,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
That's happening.
Uh-huh.
And I really, really want to help you drive and get a driving license. Go
Yes.
to second gear. Because your reason's so good. You haven't taken a theory test yet.
No, it's on Tuesday.
It's on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Comments, give Frankie love, props, energy.
Exactly.
And good luck vibes.
Any advice?
And then you're going to book a driving test, hopefully in Hither Green.
Yep.
And we're going to pass it. On the
Before
next
the
road,
summer.
Before the summer, on the next road,
Yes.
we're going to hear all about it. Let's turn left at the end.
Okay, so mirrors, signal,
Positioning body language.
positioning body language
Yes.
over on this side.
What gear do we want? Pause. Think we're on a hill as well. We
Okay.
have a taxi quite close behind us. How are we going to not roll back?
By the brake
And
and the clutch on the biting point.
perfect, yes.
Okay, he's gonna,
Got it,
he's
you
not
can feel it.
floating. Okay. Oh,
Should we let these guys pass first?
yeah.
Cool. Because we're not in a hurry.
We're not in a hurry.
You might feel like everyone else is in a hurry, but we're not. Absolutely
No.
not in a hurry.
Okay.
Great.
We're good.
Off the brake first, turn. Keep us close to the left. Perfect. Nicely done. Really nice. Really nice, Frankie. Okay. Here's the big question. Why do you need a driving license?
Okay, I need a driving license for summer because my ex has my car.
What? Why does your ex have your car?
Because my mum gave it to him when we were together
Right.
in the promise that he'd give it to me. And when we broke up, I said, well, what about the car? And he said, well, you can have it back when you learn to drive.
So you broke up with him
Yeah.
and he took the car.
He took the car. His parents now have the car.
What is that? Back to first
Oh my
gear.
gosh.
That was wild. Back up to 10 and change. Nice. His parents have the car.
His parents have the car and they use it for the grandkids. So I'm glad it's like being used for, you know, they're lovely people. So
Nice.
that's good.
But it's your car.
But it's my car and I want it back.
Okay, why summer? Why is that the deadline?
Because I'm actually going to do a acting job near where his parents live. So I thought I can go
Just
get the
stay in the
car
middle.
at
Yeah.
the same time.
Okay. Where's the Where's the acting job? Because you're an actress. Actor or actress?
I think, I've always said actor,
Okay.
but I think we should be reclaiming actress. I don't think it's used enough.
Reclaiming it. What happened to it?
Yeah, I think people just say actor because it's easier. It tends to be what we use as such, and I think for some people, actress sort of implies it's less important as an actor.
Oh, really?
It's
Do you find
less
that?
of a actor's quite a noble profession.
He's an
as such.
actor.
He's an actor.
She's an actress.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So we should be changing that.
Frankie's
let's
got
bring
an
back.
IMDb and everything. It's pretty cool.
There we go.
You don't get IMDbs for running silly YouTube channels. Proper
We
stuff.
might have one. You don't know.
I definitely don't have an IMDb.
We could get you an IMDb.
Can you? Can you get the hookup with IMDb?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. We
Jeez.
can put some stuff together.
You're my favourite new student. Okay.
Okay.
We're just going to set off nice and gently, no rush.
Okay.
We can use a little bit more speed around this bend than normal because it's quite wide.
Oh, I didn't stall. Look at that.
Are you worried about stalling?
Well, only because, yes.
What we need to do in lesson 2 is work out how to set off
Yeah.
with the gas and the clutch so you can set off quicker
Yes.
and avoid stalling.
Yes, yes,
That
yes.
will be lesson 2, which you'll be able to catch in the next video.
In the next one.
Is that a good way? That's a good place to
That's
wrap up.
yeah.
And we'll hear more about what Frankie does in acting.
There we go.
Watch this video too, because the algo of YouTube thinks that you'll bloody love it, and we'll catch you again soon.
We will.
Peace.
Bye.
And now we're just going to drive a bit
just
more
gonna drive.
because, yeah, we can't
I
stop
should
here.
have mentioned the plant pot company.
The plant pot.
Damn it.
In video 2, we're also going to hear about Frankie's plant pots.
Yes. Yes.
So much to look forward to.